The new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max are two of the most talked about devices, each bringing its strengths and features. If you're deciding between the two, here's a simplified look at how they compare. One area where the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra stands out is its camera experience. Samsung has made significant improvements to its camera app, making it smoother and more responsive. It captures clearer, more detailed photos in daylight and performs exceptionally well in mid-lighting, especially for moving subjects. It also boasts a powerful 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens and has amazing zoom capabilities, thanks to its 50-megapixel 5x zoom and 10-megapixel 3x zoom. Samsung's zoom functionality generally provides better results at a distance compared to the iPhone's 12-megapixel telephoto camera. While Samsung's camera excels in zooming and handling bright daylight shots, the iPhone 16 Pro Max still edges ahead in some low-light conditions. Samsung's video features also get a notable upgrade, with improvements in brightness, detail, and better performance when capturing subjects in motion. It even offers 8K video recording, setting a high bar for resolution. Samsung's latest audio feature, the Audio Eraser, uses AI to isolate your voice, which is fantastic for videos shot in noisy environments. While the iPhone does have a better mic setup with 4 microphones to capture sound direction more clearly, Samsung's AI technology is a promising addition. Both phones come with high-quality screens. Samsung uses a Gorilla Armor display, which is stronger and provides more pixel density, while iPhone's ceramic shield makes its screen extra tough. Both have adaptive refresh rates, meaning the screen adjusts its speed to save battery when necessary. The display on the S25 Ultra stands out in brighter lighting, while the iPhone is still remarkable in terms of color accuracy and consistency. In terms of build quality, both phones use titanium frames, making them feel robust and premium. Samsung's S25 Ultra is a bit lighter and feels more refreshing in design compared to the more incremental changes in the iPhone 16 Pro Max. When it comes to performance, Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and offers more RAM, 12GB compared to iPhone's 8GB, giving it an edge in multitasking. On the other hand, the iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with a highly efficient A8 Pro chip, known for its superior single-core performance. On the Samsung side, Android 15 with One UI 7 offers more customization, which is great for users who prefer flexibility and personalized experiences. Plus, Samsung promises software updates for a longer time, 7 years, than the iPhone's standard updates. Both devices have powerful batteries that should easily last through the day. Samsung offers faster 45-watt wired charging and 15-watt wireless charging, while the iPhone supports 30-watt wired and 25-watt MagSafe wireless charging. Notably, neither phone comes with a charger in the box, which is something to consider if you need a charger immediately. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and iPhone 16 Pro Max are both premium devices priced similarly, with the base model of each starting at around $1,199. In summary, both phones offer top-of-the-line performance and features, so your choice ultimately depends on what matters most to you. Which one would you prefer? Let us know in the comments and we will see you in another video. Thanks for watching.